Cafe Cookup 31. Mysore picked this delicious Aphex Twin sample that was nuts. Some Germans stopped by, super nice kids. I flexed my German skills, which were pathetic. Dankeschön.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Huh?
Kein Ding.
Is that your welcome? I don't even.
No problem.
I'm out. You should have said Scheiße. I would have. Maya was nice enough to set up the Insta360 camera. We got weird ass shots in the beat showcase. Mag and Mysore collabed. Your boy fucking sang in a bathroom. Okay, one take. Did you know this? You should have filmed it next time. Yo, anyone who wants to rap, sing, no excuses. In the bathroom, fuck the bathroom reverb. Let's get it.
I'm a little baby, off and on.